I'm going to teach you how to find the Explore button on Google Slides. Whether you're new to Google Slides or just trying to get the hang of its features, understanding how to use the Explore button can really enhance your presentation making process. This feature is especially helpful for improving design, finding content, and speeding up your workflow. First, open a web browser and head over to Google Slides by navigating to slides.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account. Using your main Google account ensures you have access to all your saved presentations and Google Drive content. Once signed in, you'll see the Google Slides homepage, which displays your recent presentations and options to start new ones. You can start a new presentation from scratch by clicking on the blank button. If you prefer a pre-designed layout, select a template from the options below. Templates also save time and provide a professional design framework that can be customized as needed. With your presentation open, it's time to locate the Explore button. You'll find it at the bottom right corner of your screen. The icon looks like a small star within a box. Click on it to open the Explore panel on the right side of your screen. The Explore panel provides design recommendations based on the content already on your slide. It helps you align elements, choose better layout, and create a visually appealing presentation quickly. Beyond design suggestions, the Explore tool also has a web search function. This allows you to search for images, text, and other online content directly within Google Slides without switching tabs. To try this out, go to the top menu and click on Insert. Hover over Image in the drop-down menu, then select Search the Web. A search pane will appear on the right side of the screen. Enter a search term relevant to your slide content, browse the results, and click Insert to add the image directly to your slide. Once inserted, you can resize, move, or rotate the image to fit your layout perfectly. Using the Explore button regularly can save you time and help maintain consistency across slides. You can experiment with different layouts suggested by Google to find the one that best suits your content. It's also a great way to discover new images and design ideas that can make your presentation stand out. Remember, small adjustments using the Explore button can give your slides a more polished and professional look. The more you use this feature, the faster and more confident you'll become at creating engaging presentations. That's all for today's tutorial on finding and using the Explore button in Google Slides. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Keep exploring this feature and try combining it with other Google Slides tools like themes, animations, and charts to create even more engaging presentations. Thanks for watching.